Hello, I'm Jeff Moreland. Welcome to the Inn at Garden Plaza. We'd like just to do a demo for you to show that we try to do stuff from scratch and we're not just opening powdered gravies and cans for you. And we try to do something that you would be proud to eat and we'd be proud to serve. So today I'm just going to demo a little chicken Madeira. I got my hot pan going here. I'll start off with a little butter. Excuse my spot, it's at the end of my shift and we stay busy for you. In here I just have some onion and portobello mushrooms that I'll fry up. And these mushrooms are gonna want some more butter. On the other side of the pan, I'm going to sear up my chicken that I've already coated with a little bit of salt and pepper. As my mushrooms might soak up some more oil, I might give them a little bit more to soak up. All right, we're looking for some of that nice pan color. Before we start with the Madeira part of it, it's a fortified wine, so we will cook it out. We're not making anybody tipsy by doing this. And the flame is always fun. This will naturally give us a very nice sweet gravy. All wines are typically made of grape, so it's just going to give us a sweet little grape juice with mushroom, onion, and chicken already in with the flavor. Once it cooks a little further, I'm going to stop the heat. I'm going to finish it with just a little bit more butter to make the sauce a little bit nicer for you. It smells really good. I wish you could smell it on this end. At this point, I'll stop the heat. And I'll just let that butter become part of the sauce that's in there. For a cutlet of chicken. Serving this in the dining room, we would love to serve it with scalloped potatoes. It's a big hit, some flavorful rice pilaf and some nice roasted vegetables. But there's a number of ways to serve it with. Don't forget a little bit of green. We're just trying to do something from scratch for you. Not necessarily keep our pinkies up, but we want to do what we can from scratch and keep away from the cans and powdered gravies for you. We'd love to see more faces around here. Come and enjoy.